Here is an aftermarket head unit for BMW CIC models. Today I'm going to show you how to connect these harness. Here is GPS antenna, here to here, and this is Wi-Fi antenna, here to here, and here is USB cables. Here 6-pin, no, 8 pin to here, 8 pin, and you can put them in the glove box that can read U disc. And this is the main harness, here to here, and this is aux out cable, here to here, and here to your car aux out. And if you use the aux out cable, you should disconnect the connector. There is a label to show you unplug this connector when use aux out cable. Just press here, press here, then here to unplug it, and this to the back of the original radio. And here you can see 2 holes. You should transfer the fiber optical cable to here or here. It depends on where the fiber optical on the original harness. If the fiber optical cable in the original harness here, then you put it here. If it is in here, then you put it to here. Anyway, to the same spot of the to the same spot as it in the original harness. This is connect to iDrive controller. Here to the original power harness, and here you should transfer the original LVDS to here. CIC is 4-pin. Then done.